So my name is Mangunje. I'm the technical advisor for Polycide programs here at FHI 360. In terms of, my experience, just to explain to you my experience with Texila American University. Really, with my busy schedule that I had, concerning my work, there's no way I was going to make it if it was not for the flexible teaching methods that they have. The Moodle, that platform, I think was very, very helpful in that I was able to take the various courses at my own time, and having a contact class every, Saturday during, using Zoom as a platform was very, very helpful to clarify some of the things that I would have done within the week. Thank you so much, and see you once again so that you can join us, Texila Alumni.